Ready? Right. Look at that, sir.
Okay.
Sir, look here. Okay.
आगे भाव हो जाए अरे सामने
पुढे या पुढे जरा
मॅडम पुढे
पुढे या ना पुढे पुढे क्या पुढे
बस या दिस कॅमेरा
मॅडम इथे लास्ट कॉर्नर मॅम तुमचा राईट कडे
सेंटर
मैम चलो
मॅम या
सोनाली मैडम सोलो द्या ना तुम्ही
ओ दादा पीछे
ये मागे है
हम लोग फोटो खींचे मैडम इनको पकड़
सर सामने
दिस कैमरा वेट दिस कैमरा
वेट मैम सेंटर
मैडम इनको
हाँ
सेंटर
थैंक यू
दिस कैमरा
मैम सेंटर लुक
ओके मैम गुड
थैंक यू
वेट मैडम सोलो आप
मैम सेंटर लुक
दिस कैमरा
मॅम सेंटर
ऑन योर राइट यस
सोनाली मॅम सेंटर मॅम इकडे
चलिए
रोज देख के इंसान
बोर हो गई राजा नाम भी छोड़ हो गई राजा नाम फकीर हो गई
अब सॉन्ग को कैसे हमें जमाने के बाद
National Filmfare Award for her Marathi short film, that's Chaitra, and yes, who can forget her in her columnist Sokol, where she won applause from many Bollywood celebrities. It takes me immense pleasure to invite the beautiful lady out here in pink. Can I have a huge round of applause for Miss Sonali Kulkarni, please? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Ma'am, first, a warm welcome to you. It gives us, everyone out here from Havre Legacy, an immense pleasure to invite you today. Thank you so much to be the brand ambassador. Definitely people look up to you, and definitely after this, the huge launch, they're going to look up to more at Havre Legacy. Before moving ahead, I would request if you could just speak a few words for Havre Legacy. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have so many friends out here. Thank you, Prahlad. We are not allowed to call him Prahlad sir or Prahlad ji. He is Prahlad for everyone. There is Uttara here, Niyatai, so many of you, and of course, Ujjwala ma'am. तुला पण उज्ज्वलच. आम्हाला खूप अभिमान आहे तुझा. It is indeed great pleasure to address such a wonderful crowd. It gives me a great joy to be the brand ambassador of Havre Legacy. Thank you so much, Ujjwala, and the entire team of Havre Builders. It is a moment of pride for me to be here for this iconic celebration of Nirman Utsav by Havre Legacy. Hearty congratulations to all the hands, heads and minds that have worked in the past 25 years for this dream to come true. One of the most important factors that has encouraged me to be here this evening, to be a part of Havre Legacy, is none other than Ujjwala ma'am herself. We've done a film together. I'm sure you all know about the film. The film was called Dr. Prakash Baba Amte. It was a Marathi film, but it went much beyond being Marathi because it won a variety of awards that year. It was directed by Samruddhi Pore, one of our dear friend, and it also made its mark by becoming the official entry for Oscars that year. It didn't win the award, but it won many hearts, and that's so special for us. And that film was produced by Ujjwala ma'am. And I must tell you, that film is about Dr. Prakash Baba Amte, is about Dr. Prakash Amte and his better half, Mandakini Amte. In the film, Nana Patekar sir plays Prakash Amte and I play Mandakini Amte. It is such a unique coincidence that the film was directed by a woman. It was about a woman. I am a woman who was acting as Mandakini Amte, and it was produced by another woman, another able woman, that is Ujjwala ma'am. It is such a wonderful feeling to be working together. I always like associations when we work together because, you know, when we say that let us meet over a drink, let us meet at a party, let us celebrate XYZ success, it doesn't hold that much of gravity when you have worked together and you have something to talk about, when you have shared your sweat, when you've shared some moments together thinking about something. So the association which has started from Dr. Prakash Baba Amte has come till here when I become the brand ambassador of Havre Legacy. It is extremely special to me. In the male-dominated real estate space, a woman took charge of the business and made it perfect so well, and she made it stand out in the market. She has proved that once you determine to serve the society and help them build their dreams, you have to fear nothing. Havre Legacy has its roots in Maharashtra, and as a Maharashtrian, I feel extremely proud, humbled to be their representative, to be their face and the brand ambassador today. I really hope that I add value to the brand. I make them feel proud. I promise you all on behalf of Havre Legacy that we as a team will make many dreams come true, and as a team we will bring many smiles on your face. Thank you so much for having me here this evening. I wish you all the best, Ujjwala, and I'm really happy to be a part of the family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. What better than two super women coming together to rock on the Havre Legacy. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for Miss Thank you so much, ma'am, to be a part. And now moving ahead, let's hear it from the woman herself. Let's hear what she wants to talk.
No, which camera do we look at? Yes.
Rolling, sir.
ब्रांड एम्बेसडर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर अस इस पूरे इनिशिएटिव के बाद यू नो अ जर्नी ऑफ अ लेडी हु स्टार्टेड यू नो नाउ एवरीथिंग इज सो बिग
Correct.
व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट उज्ज्वला व्हाट सोनाली मैम
Both of them are amazing brand ambassadors. In my opinion, it's such a privilege to be associated with them in any manner whatsoever, whether it's ideating, whether it's just sitting with them and having a cup of coffee. It's a revelation because I've always believed that women are much stronger than men because of my wife, because she's stronger than I am, you know. But to meet other women in their journey in their lives and to be able to figure out कि कितना झेलते हैं वो and to reach the manzil that they have requires enormous, not only just courage but honesty, you know, because if you're dishonest, then first you're dishonest with yourself, then you're dishonest with other people. And both these ladies have, you know, one thing that when you look into the eyes, you feel that they're absolutely straightforward. You won't find anybody straighter than them.
उज्ज्वला जी तुम्हाला काय बोलायचं आहे याबद्दल हे सांगितलं सांगितलं
तो त्यांचा मोठेपण आहे प्रल्हाद कक्कडचा मोठेपण आहे की ते इतकं कौतुक करतात आहे माझं. डेफिनेटली खूप स्ट्रगल होतं, खूप काम केलं आहे आणि बहुतेक म्हणूनच आज या 25 वर्ष कोणी बिल्डरचं नाव तसं फारसं ऐकायला येत नाही. तर with very few builders here who have completed those many years, so I am very proud about it.
सोनाली जी हर किसी का ख्वाब होता है जब हम मुंबई की बात करते हैं, खास करके मुंबई की. हाँ, बाकी देश में इतनी तकलीफ नहीं है, लेकिन इस शहर में एक ख्वाब है अपना और वहाँ इस तरह का कॉन्सेप्ट. और आपने अभी स्टेज पे मैंने सुना आपने कहा कि एक अलग बॉन्ड शेयर करती हैं आप
बिल्कुल
इस कंपनी के साथ, उज्ज्वला जी के साथ. क्या कहना
मैं सबसे पहले कहना चाहूँगी कि मुझे बड़ा गर्व होता है ये कहने में कि मैं हावरे लेगेसी की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ आज से. और एक दोस्ती अगर किसी भी फॉर्मल एसोसिएशन में बदल जाती है तो उसके मायने काफ़ी अलग होते हैं. आई विश आई हैड मेट उज्ज्वला जी इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ माई करियर. आई एग्जैक्टली नो वॉट शी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट. She is talking about affordable homes to people, and it is, you know, people's lifetime dream. Many people cannot even reach dreaming of it, and she is offering such a wonderful dream to people who are who belong to a humble background, and so do I. I have lived a very simple life. I know value of money, I know value of time, and here we have someone who's going to assure us that we value your effort and hard work, and we are going to let you dream about your own house. Listening to Ujjwala's story was extremely inspiring. A person who has worked so hard but never expresses that she has gone through so many hardships. I'm very happy to be here this evening, and let us hope that a profession that may not sound like a social service, but she is making it true for many people. She's making it believable for many people, and I'm so looking forward to her new site, which will be opening in a few months.
It's already started.
It has already started. So let us see how many families are going to be blessed in that new project, and I have all my best wishes with her.
उज्ज्वला मैम के साथ में आप दोनों का
बहुत धूम मचा रही हैं. प्लीज कंटिन्यू शाद.
उज्ज्वला मैम के साथ आपका जो कोलैबोरेशन है वो काफ़ी लंबे समय से रहा है. क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप दोनों को कनेक्ट करके रखती है एक दूसरे से?
मुझे लगता है सच्चाई. बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है, लेकिन उनकी जो पैशन है, उनका जो डेडिकेशन है, वो मुझे बहुत भाता है. और उनका जो पैशन है, डेडिकेशन है, वो मुझे बहुत भाता है, क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो सच्चे दिल से काम करते रहते हैं. उज्ज्वला इज़ द रेयरेस्ट, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि एक जो रिश्ता शुरू हुआ था एज एन एक्टर एंड प्रोड्यूसर इज टुडे इट इज ट्रांसलेटिंग इनटू probably team members.
You know, she is the epitome of something that I teach my students. क्योंकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो उनको कुछ और सिखाते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि सक्सेस का जो निशान है वो पैसा होता है, और मैं उनको सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ दैट सक्सेस का जो निशान है वैल्यू एडिंग होता है, पैसा बाद में आता है. एंड आई थिंक उज्ज्वला जी इज a shining example of that, is that पैसा बाद में आएगा, पहले वैल्यू क्रिएट करो. So when she offers a value before the money, then that is why her journey for 25 years is going to be like rock solid. It's not shaky. The foundations are so strong because it's all about value creation.
सोनाली मैम,
सोनाली जी, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा समथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. मुझे पता नहीं है सही मौका है बात पूछने का या नहीं, क्योंकि आप भी इस इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा है और इतने सालों से नहीं. आर्यन खान को लेकर, शाहरुख को लेकर जिस तरह का
हम आज हावरे लेगेसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. आपको चाहिए तो मैं ज़रूर बात करूंगी मुंबई डायरीज की जो मैं थैंक यू सो मच. गुड लक चार्म के लिए मैंने
अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराएंगे. इट इज एप्रिशिएटेड बाय एवरीवन, इवन द क्रिटिक, इवन द ऑडियंस.
कमिंग फ्रॉम यू माई मीडिया फ्रेंड्स दैट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. एक छोटा सा अपीयरेंस था, गेस्ट अपीयरेंस था. निखिल अडवाणी मेरे दोस्त हैं और उन्होंने कहा था कि इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस पावर पैक्ड सीन, लेकिन मुझे इम्पैक्ट चाहिए, तो उन्होंने वो ऑफ़र किया था मुझे. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई हैव एंटर्ड द वेब वर्ल्ड एंड यू विल हैव अ लॉट मोर टू सी इन द कमिंग फ्यू मंथ्स. 100%. I am an emotional person myself, and 26/11 was the incidents. As we all know, that was the time when I realized that I have become a true Mumbaikar. I belong to Pune, but I have been in Mumbai for about more than 2 decades. But that incidents made me feel that I feel for my people in Mumbai, and I was completely shaken. Until date, I don't want to revisit the memory. I don't want to visit the places, and if I have to, if I do, it leaves me with goosebumps and a lump in my throat. So working on 26/11 was something else.
सोनाली मैम, काफ़ी लंबे समय के बाद ये आपका प्रोजेक्ट रहा है. आपके फैंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. बड़े पर्दे पर ना सही, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने देख लिया आपको मुंबई डायरीज में. पर अब बड़े पर्दे पर कब वापसी होने वाली है आपकी, ये बताइए. वेब सीरीज पार्ट या द OTT.
मुझे लगता है ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन्स एंड पैंडेमिक वी हैव टू कंसिडर द वेब ऑल्सो एज अ बिग पर्दा, एंड वी विल हैव टू कंसिडर इट एज the most important platform where we are getting entertained.
Right.
So definitely you will have no complaints in
You can't do binge watching in a theater. You can only do binge watching on an OTT program.
Thank you, sir. Last to Prahlad sir. Prahlad sir, what's your take about the Aryan case that recently happened? Now, Sunil Shetty.
It is not the platform to talk about it, but I'll say one thing, that you media people have got everything ass-wise. And why I say ass-wise is because what has Shah Rukh got to do with it? His son is an adult. Okay? So use his son. Don't bring Shah Rukh into the picture just because you want publicity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you guys.
Prahlad sir, even Sunil Shetty said, why are media so hard?
Guys, this is not the platform to talk about it, please.
Done.